customer that wants to try something new. So they're exchanging their hearing aids. So again, we've got the service call in. The customer wants to go ahead with an exchange. So what we would need to do is go into the customer details. And instead of returning the items, which I know a lot of dispensers are doing, what we would need to do is simply click the exchange button. There is the return there, there's the exchange, a replace, repair. So in this case, the customer is having an exchange. It will again automatically default the selected hearing aid, and you would select exchange. It does look like a normal invoice when you bring it up. So what you would need to do in order to follow the exchange through is click add hearing aids. And this is where you would see that it says exchange for ReSound 961s. And you select your manufacturer. In this case, the customer can't afford the Quattro 9s, so we are going to change them to Quattro 7s instead. So it will mean that there is going to be a refund due to the customer. So we would place the order, we'll do a binaural. If the customer is having exactly the same model but just different colours, you would obviously just do the same model, but you'd also need to make sure that the discounts and the values match what you already have on the order. Okay, battery. So it is a rechargeable. And save. Okay, so this is what it would look like. So you've got the hearing aids there, the original ones. It shows they've been returned, and then you've got the new ones below. So of course, in this case, because we've downgraded, the customer is due a £600 refund. So we would need to save that. Again, your notes are really important. The notes obviously tell everybody what's happening with the customer. So in this case now, what we would need to do, when the customer's hearing aids are on order, you would need to follow the same process like you would as a new order. So you'd go into your inventory. You would need to check them in from manufacturer. Again, Command and F, exchange for something different, check them in, enter your serial numbers, check the other one in, and save. If you've got receivers on the order, you would also need to go down to your serial numbers, your receivers, and check them in. Save. Okay. And once you have checked them in, you would need to then deliver them to the customer. So you're not doing a return, you're clicking the exchange. That will automatically do the return for you. So you would have an appointment, a fitting appointment in there to do your delivery of the hearing aids. And you would save. And that is how you do an exchange. Obviously the dates there, that date would need to be required, that date will be required for when you've got the appointment, the fitting appointment.